Hi, welcome. I'm Vlad Karpel, founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to talk about geopolitical events and the events that drive the market in general. The tension in Ukraine has subsided, and Russia and Ukraine are looking for peaceful resolution to the conflict. The uprisings in the Iraq are causing some instability and pushing the prices of oil and oil companies higher, but the market was able to shrug off all this news. The Fed is still continue with the Fed bond repurchasing program. So all eyes are right now on the second quarter earnings. We're at the end of the first quarter earnings, and the second quarter earnings will start in a couple of weeks. In the last week and this week, the notable earnings are from transportation companies such as FedEx and another company such as Adobe and Red Hat, all beat on their earnings estimates, and the stocks are up. And it seems like the transportation sectors, the sectors that have to do with automobile parts, the technology sector is all continuing to push higher and higher. Russell 2000, the small cap stock, has rebounded from the year low, and they're rebounded from 50-day moving average. So small cap stocks are continuing the uptrend. The financial sector is continuing the uptrend. So it seems like we're in the middle of this expansion cycle, and VIX at historical low, and all signals point to the upside. So you have to be cautious and make sure that you look at the VIX and you look at buy the stocks that have low PE and have low intrinsic value. So you have to have a system to find the most underappreciated stocks in any given sector. So for example, FedEx, they announced earnings and the stock is up, or the Adobe and Red Hat announced earnings and the stocks are up. How do you know which stocks to buy in these sectors? So you have to have some kind of a system that shows which sector is up, and in any given sector that trending up, what are the best stocks to trade based on their intrinsic value. So value investing becomes very important, like Graham or Warren Buffett. They pioneered value investing, and value investing is all about ranking stocks and finding statistical approach to stocks that are underappreciated and will outperform the market in the next 6 months to a year. At TradeSpoon, that's what we do. We find sectors that outperform in the market, and we find individual stocks that, based on discounted cash flow or based on the fundamental analysis, are outperforming the market. So if you're in the market, one advice that I have for all the viewers is that make sure that whatever system you're using, you have a systematic and statistical approach of finding undervalued stocks. And you don't just jump buy Adobe. There might be a better stock in the same sector that will outperform the market. And again, this is Vlad Karpel with TradeSpoon, and until next time, thank you for your time.